Good afternoon. I'm Pat Harvey, and we want to update you on the stories we're working on today. This is CBSLA.com's The Rundown. The Holy Fire has exploded to over 6,000 acres, and a resident of Holy Jim Canyon has been arrested on 2 counts of arson. 51-year-old Forrest Gordon Clark is accused of setting the fire a week after reportedly sending an email that read in part, quote, "This place will burn." His cabin was the only one of 14 in his neighborhood that was left untouched by the flames. A smoke advisory has been issued for Orange County and the Inland Empire. SoCal Gas will pay roughly $120 million in a settlement over the largest methane gas leak in U.S. history. The money will go toward environmental programs and will also reimburse local governments for their response. The leak at Aliso Canyon forced thousands of people out of their homes, but this settlement won't pay them back. A separate case involving 9,000 residents is still pending. And it's back to school in Banning for everyone except the teachers. Educators in the Banning Unified District began a 3-day strike today over what they call extra unpaid work. The superintendent says the teachers union has failed to find productive ways to settle the disagreement, which he claims applies only to one school. Substitute teachers are filling in. The 10 millionth Ford Mustang rolled off an assembly line this morning in Michigan. This latest version of Ford's iconic sports car is a high-tech 460 horsepower V8 6-speed manual convertible. The very first serialized Mustang was produced in 1964. It's been America's best-selling sports car for the last half-century. Now here's Garth Kemp with a look at the weather. Garth.
Yeah, Pat, well, we stay warm, everybody. We're going to bump it back up again tomorrow. Here we go. And then we're going to come back down on Friday. We'll factor in some humidity as we head to the weekend. Try to bring things down. We'll still stay above normal, but it is just sticky out there and nasty over the next couple of days. A little better temperature-wise after Thursday. We'll keep you updated, Pat.
All right, thanks, Garth. And join us on CBS 2 News at 5, 6, and 11 for the latest on your weather forecast and all of our top stories. This has been CBSLA.com's The Rundown. For Garth Kemp, I'm Pat Harvey. Have a great evening.